I am unboxing the MQ Genuine Parts Filter Kit for the MQ Whiteman HHNG5 Ride-On Power Trowel. Upon opening the kit, you will find a parts list and a diagram of where to install each filter on your machine. Each kit includes one air pre-filter, which can be changed after 400 hours of operation. Also inside, you'll find two engine oil filters. You'll want to replace these every 200 hours of use on your HHNG5. There are two separate fuel filters in the kit, a 40 micron and a 20 micron. These should be replaced every 400 hours of operation, along with the final item in the box, the primary air filter. MQ Genuine Parts filter kits make maintaining your machine easier by including the necessary parts to deliver the consistent and reliable performance you've come to expect from Multiquip.